want to toast any vegetables on here?
No, just
You just want it toasted? It's toasted.
gotta eat it toasted.
It's
Subway.
toasted. Subway, come on. Eat fresh. Not gonna lie, after a long day at the racetrack, this is gonna taste so gourmet.
This is gonna be top shelf. Are we even gonna eat dinner?
Oh, now it's working. We are headed to Sallisaw. Spur of the moment, after drinking multiple beers last night, decided, hey, let's go run a 7.0 index class. Car's never been faster than 8.0. So why not? We have made it to the track. We are in Sallisaw, Oklahoma, and as you can see, cars behind me getting charged up. Gotta go over tires. I do want to go look at the lanes though. Not sure how bad they are. It's been almost a year since we've been here, so we'll see. Hopefully we're gonna try to enter in the 7.0 class. Hopefully, like I said earlier, the car has never ran faster than 8.0, but we have the little blue bottle in the trunk to help with that. So we'll see how it goes. Doesn't look too bad. Definitely gonna be an interesting surface to get down on Nitrous for the first time, but we'll see. Some fast cars here. Well, I guess if you can get down, I should be able to. I hope. That was fast. Alright, going up for the first link. Dang, I think I gained some weight since the last time I had these belts on. These things are tight. Alright, let's see what happens.
Red lights, huh?
Fuck, man. Alright, so apparently I was out of the groove, but I don't know which way I was. But car made the trip. It actually stuck the tire decent. I mean, it spun maybe half a revolution to a revolution, but it stuck pretty good. Made the trip, 179 60 foot, which we'll chip away at that. I guess the sensors aren't working down there.
Yeah, she said it. The last 2 days worth of rain has fucked up some of their sensors.
Well, they did just tell a guy to go check a battery on something, so at least it made the trip though. Didn't spin too bad being out of there. How far, where was I out of the groove?
You were just right on the edge of the groove.
To the left or right?
You were to the right. You had about this much tire in the groove,
Okay.
which put you up on a hump.
Yeah.
And when you left,
So I was that way. I was
yeah.
that way. So I need to, okay, I need to hug the wall more.
So what happened was when you left, it spun just a hair and put you right into the groove.
I felt it kick me back over.
Kicked you right into the groove, and then you hauled ass.
Yeah. It didn't spin, but what, a revolution maybe? It felt like. So think we're good enough to leave off the trans brake? It's only at like 3,000. It's not spicy. So we're gonna get the car turned around and we're gonna go try to make a trans brake launch. Car cools down really well. I love this cooling system.
That wasn't bad. That was a good training brake launch with 7.9, and it was a green light. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad.
Dude, that thing went 177 60 foot.
Yeah, what is it, 7.9?
797 at 86 mile an hour.
Yeah, that's
finally
good
went
on the
57.
trans brake too.
Bro, I stood on the brake way too long.
Oh, you did? Yeah.
As soon as I grabbed the button, I just matted it and went, fuck, I wasn't supposed to do that. And then I was about to back off and I went, no, then the car's gonna die. So I stuck it. Hopefully that car I was dead late though. I was like 3 something on the street.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it left.
It's still left, and it was green.
It was greenish.
It was green.
Actually, it was so green it was turning stiff. All right, so that last pass went 797. We left off the trans brake and it took it. Actually went 177 60 foot, and how fast was it? Like 85 mile an hour? 84? I don't remember. $86 mile an hour. It's not bad. So now I'm going to turn the bottle on, let go of the trans brake, and see what happens. Ought to be fun.
Yeah.
Ought to be a fun little ride. Mocking me? It's gonna go.
Yeah, see what happens.
Yeah.
It's always good to say.
What? Yeah.
Turn your power on, right? Yeah.
How you feeling about this?
A little nervous.
Little nervous? Getting the jitteries? Just hold on.
That was fucking fast. Holy shit.
Yeah, yeah.
Fucking exploded out of there.
I wasn't lifting.
No, you didn't.
I drove it. I'm so glad I was shifting. I couldn't see the tag.
See, it was only a 153.60,
Yeah.
but with that 8th mile, you're right there at 11.
I didn't hear it breaking up, but honestly, I was just trying to drive it.
I don't think it was breaking up.
Holy fuck.
Which
Y'all have a straight
Yeah,
Tire or something? Because I mean, it just immediately did that.
well, I mean, it kind of did. Yeah, what you were just saying, but it fucking. You can definitely tell when it kicks on.
I'm sure it knocked some shit out of the exhaust. Is the generator on?
Yeah, it's on.
I about pedaled it because I was up there close to the wall and I was like, oh, it's driving over. Holy shit. So on that pass, it left really freaking hard. Went 712 at like 95 miles an hour. And that's on a baby shot. That's only a 100 shot. It picked up, it went 797 and then went 712. We picked up almost 8 tenths or over 8 tenths. And ooh, I can't wait to see the in-car footage because that's gonna be freaking funny. Oh, it's good. Hopefully we make another pass. I'm not sure yet. I do want to check the plug, see what it looks like, and we'll go from there. I don't know. Honestly, I could load it up right now. I'd be happy. It's been a good day. Haven't used a whole lot of nitrous, so it hadn't really. And it's still on pump gas, so it's still cheap to run right now. What do you think? Yeah, that was a blast. Holy crap. So, upon further evaluation, I think we might be a little done for the day. I'd say she was a little hot.
A little.
A little bit. Yeah, there's the plug on it. You can see it's kind of trying to eat the porcelain off of it. And, yeah, the timing strap's a little close to that, to the ring on the plug. And there's a little bit of peppering on it. Ooh, yeah, it started trying to melt the tip of the plug. So I think we're just gonna call it. I would like to take the car back home. These plugs are done, so we can't run anyway. Go home. I got a set of cooler plugs. I'll probably throw those in there. And then pump gas. It probably wouldn't have looked as bad if we were on actual 110.
You'll probably get a red for your nitrous.
Yeah. I just have to see what they flow.
That's all it.
Yeah, that's all it's gonna do.
It's gonna do is nitrous. The red will work.
Yeah, probably do red, and then
put more fuel in the nitrous. A couple of those sizes.
yeah, because right now it's a 57 jet, and it probably needs a little bit more on the fuel side. I got a 63. I was looking at it. I almost did that anyway, but or no, I don't have a 63. I have a 68. I can't find a 63 jet. It might be in your kit.
It might be in my car.
Yeah, it might be in your plate. So we're gonna pack it up. Probably gonna do it for today's video. It's been fun though. Car went stupid fast. I mean, that was fun. My neck hurts like hell, but it's always a great time down here at Sallisaw. It's always fun.
You go from a 797 to a 712. Yeah, your neck ought to hurt.
Yeah, it was fun. Holy damn, that's clean. Just your average blown C10 street truck drive. That's Oklahoma for you.